山里にある菖蒲園に来ています。
In this video, I'm going to take you Hana Meguri, Flower Tour, 梅雨の風物詩, Shoubu, Ajisai, and Taki Meguri, plus local gourmet, and something more.
山あじさいの名所、宗光内神社です。
名所 means notable site. 名所 It's in the mountain area surrounded by a lot of natures. Very quiet and peaceful. 宗光内神社 宗光内 Shrine is located in 川之内東温市 ehime Prefecture and has 1200 years history. An unique feature is that there are 120 sailing paintings. 天井画 天井 is sailing. 画 represents painting. 天井画上地陽天井 If you like to learn how to pronounce these voiced consonant plus small letter sounds, please check out this video lesson here. The characteristic of the sailing paintings found in Japanese shrines and temples is that they depict plants and nature. 植物画植物 means plants. 植物画 About 100 kinds of hydrangeas, including wild hydrangeas, inhabit the shrine grounds. Ajisai Hydrangea. This kanji murasaki represents purple, violet. This one you represents sun, sunny, and hana is flower. But in regular Japanese kanji rules, it should be pronounced as shiyouka, but it's pronounced as ajisai. This is one of the exceptions, which is called Ateji. Ateji means that when writing Japanese in kanji Chinese characters, the original usage of that character is ignored, and it is diverted to another word, Ateji. Tsuyu, rainy season is also Ateji. I broke down the word Tsuyu and introduced the vocabularies, idioms about rain in the previous video. So please check it out as well. The original species of hydrangea is Gaku Ajisai. Gaku indicates frame. Gaku Ajisai grow naturally in Japan. And the one that was brought to Europe and improved in variety is called Seiyou Ajisai. Seiyou means Western Europe. Yama Ajisai mountain hydrangea is often seen in the mountain stream, which is also called Sawa Ajisai. Sawa means mountain stream. Yama Ajisai has variety flower colors and shapes, and smaller than Gaku Ajisai or other species. 華奢な花 or 繊細な花. 華奢 means frail, slender. 繊細 means delicate, subtle. There are other various flowers in the grounds of Soukouchi Jinja, such as hasu, hasu no hana, lotus flower. This shrine is known as Hana no Meisho, flower viewing spot. And this little guy see me off when I leave. Just around the corner of the shrine, there is a waterfall. I was surprised to find it just behind the main street. a 5 minutes walk away. It's called Amadaki. Ame is rain, taki is waterfall. But when it's in Jukugo compound word, they're pronounced ama and daki, amadaki. Rain waterfall. Because it was a place where praying for rain rituals were held in the old days. Amagoi. Kou means begging. Amagoi. Meanwhile, it started to rain and lunchtime has passed. So why don't we have lunch here while it's raining? Amayadori. Amayadori means shelter from the rain. Amayadori. Kamo means duck. Kamo started to eat as sobaya, buckwheat noodles restaurant became popular in Edo period. Because at that time chicken wasn't on the market yet, so it seems that familiar duck meat was used. Rakkaryusui. Rakkaryusui means falling water. And this restaurant's name is Ryusui-an. This is Kominka Restaurant. Kominka means old folk house. The renovated Kominka cafe and restaurant is popular in Japan. This building was originally a barn, Naya. Now it's a noodle restaurant. Duck noodles are their specialty. Duck meat has rich taste, コクがある, so that good soup stock comes out in the noodle soup. I ordered Kamo 4, duck pho, rice noodles. Many people eat noodles without making any noise in Japan nowadays, but original traditional way is making noise while eating Japanese or Asian noodles. Their main house is used for an accommodation, so you can experience the feeling of nostalgic Japanese rural life. Inaka gurashi. Inaka is rural. Kurasu means live, reside. Inaka gurashi. Now we are heading to Shoubu-en, the iris garden in the mountain. It's not very far from Ryusui-an, the noodle restaurant, by walk. This Shoubu-en is owned by the owner of a liquor store, Shiraiya, supported by local residents, and it's open for public during this iris and hydrangea season.
山里にある勝負園に来ています。
Yamazato means mountain village. Yama is mountain. Sato is village. Yamazato. Located in the great nature overlooking small waterfalls. Shoubu, Japanese iris, but correctly it's Hana Shoubu. Hana means flower. In fact, Shoubu and Hana Shoubu are different kinds. That Shoubu doesn't have flower petals, but it came to be called Hana Shoubu just because the leaves resemble Shoubu, but commonly referred to simply as Shoubu. Hana Shoubu, Japanese irises are taller and larger flowers than irises. It's almost double the size. About 30 species, 2,000 Hana Shoubu are in full bloom in the middle of June. 6月の中旬が見頃です。見頃 means best time to view. 見頃。 Also, many different kinds of hydrangeas, Ajisai, and other flowers are in full bloom in this rainy season, Tsuyu. Lastly, we are going to make a little side trip to see another Taki waterfall. It's in the deep mountains.
秘境の地、からかいの滝に向かいます。
秘境の地 means unexplored land or secret spot. 秘境の地。からかいの滝 is located in untouched nature. 20 to 30 minutes hike to get there. So I recommend you to prepare hiking gears. トレッキングシューズ、傘、上着の用意をおすすめします。Which I didn't prepare well, so I regret it. It's very close. From here, it's going to be very steep. Finally, this is Karakai no Taki. This waterfall has a 140 meters total length. The characteristic landscape composed of squares. The geometric shape, as if it was made artificially, is unique that no other waterfall has. Because of its elegant appearance, it is called medaki. This kanji onna represents women. It has been very difficult to get here, but it's worth it to see. 一見の価値あり。During the rainy season, we often feel down, feel blue, but there are some enjoyments for the rainy season. I like to feel the season, especially we have 4 seasons, 四季 in Japan. 日本には四季があります。If you like this lesson, please like this video and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification so you will not miss my future lessons. Thank you for watching on Japanese Conversation with Terumi. See you soon! さようなら。